To do the datum setting, we get the two line first. Line, okay, so we get one line. Then we go to get the x-axis. So now we get two lines. So we need to find the intersection point. Okay, you can find geometry, line intersection point. Then you choose the line, right click. When the line change the color, right click. Okay, and okay. Okay. Now we got one more. Is two line intersection. Okay. So now you can transform the coordinate to a 2-point form x-axis. Enter. Then you go to the point, right click and right click.
quotation 我们 advanced technology 有给到 quotation 的咩？哦，时空啊，
说没有120了
哇，这个是 Malaysia 的哦。
Okay, after that you can translate the axis.
Okay.
Coordinate translation.
Okay.
Go to the intersection point. Okay. Now your data will be in x and y axis.